What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Sinister back with another video. Today is November 25th, 2024, which is Monday, and the stock market was open today. And of course, I got to bring y'all the latest update on what's going on with the portfolio in Robinhood that I'm building, which is building that road to financial freedom. Now, let's get into it. Let's see how we did today. My investment amount today is $3,449.73. As you can tell, we are up by $8.46 today, which is 0.25%. We in the after hours of trading, so that's what the overnight is. And actually, it's down by $5.88, which is 0.17%, because Robinhood allow you to trade after the stock market close. This is the 1 day tab I'm under. Let's go look at the year to date. Now you see my year to date. You can see my numbers just changed. Year to date, I'm up $390.34, which is 12.76% year to date. Now, remember, I tell y'all, the market be up 1 day, can be down the next day. Up the next day, up the next 2 days, up the next 3 days, up for the week. So let's scroll down. Let's look at everything. My buying power, because I had sold one of my options, and I told y'all I would get into this in other videos, so I'm not going to really get into that right now with this video. Now my buying power is $420.74, and you can see my options right here, which is I'm buying contracts on shares. My NAT, I got 10 options with that. Right now it's up by 50 bucks. You can see my TQQ, I got 2 options there and it's down $68. So let's scroll down and look at stocks and ETFs. Let's look at VYM, which is the very top one. Here we go. This is VYM, Vanguard High Dividend Yield ETF. It's trading for $134.22. Today it was up by 77 cents, which is 0.58%. Let's look at year to date. The year to date on this ETF is up by $22.99, which is 20.67%. Let's scroll down. I still got the same amount of shares. I still got 0.227076. My average cost has been $110.10. My total return has been 21.91%, which is $5.48 in total return on this ETF. Let's go down to VNQI, which is the Vanguard Global X US Real Estate ETF. This is a real estate ETF. Today, it's up by 27 cents, which is 0.64% in the market today. You can buy into this ETF at $42.75. Now, the abbreviation letters, I meant to mention this to y'all. The abbreviation letters at the top above the word Vanguard, that's called the ticker. That's the ticker. Now, when you go into like Yahoo Finance or an investment app and you want to look for a particular company, that abbreviation is the ticker. So when you go into like Yahoo Finance in the magnifying glass and you're looking for a particular company, so let's just say you're looking for Vanguard Global X US Real Estate ETF, you would type in VNQI. So that's how you'll find that. I don't think I mentioned that in other videos. All right, let's look at the year to date. Year to date is up by 75 cents. Percentage wise, that's 1.79%. Let's look at my holdings, which is my shares. I got 0.365833. My average cost was $52.87. Total return, I'm down by $3.70, which is negative 19.13%. Let's go down. Let's go to VOO, Vanguard S&P 500. You know, this is the one I've been showing y'all the last two videos. Today, the S&P 500 was up $1.79. Percentage-wise, it was up 0.33% today. Let's look at the year to date. It's up by $115.09. Percentage-wise, it's up 26.52% year to date. Let's scroll down. Let's look at my position. Now, I'm going to go a little more deeper into this because today I bought a fraction of share. So now my shares is now 0.881. Average cost for me was $418.13. My total return, I'm up $115.42. Percentage-wise, I'm up 31.30%. Let's scroll down. Number of holdings in this S&P 500, there's 507 companies in this ETF. Now, inception date. I never touched this in any other video, so I'm going to touch it now. Inception is when they created this ETF. So this ETF has been created September 7th, 2010. Now, let me show you. The category is large blend. Now, let's scroll back up real quick. Now, you see, I'm on the year to date. Now, let's go to the 1 year. So, 1 year, November 25th, 2024, which is the current day we are in, to November 25th, 2023, the past year. This ETF is up by $131.38. Percentage-wise, it's up 31.44% in the past year. Now let's look at the 5 years. 5 years, the past 5 years. This ETF is up $262.54 in the past 5 years. And percentage-wise, it's up by 91.61%. So this ETF in the past 5 years is almost up 100%. Now, let's look at the max. So now the max is going to show you, remember down here at the bottom where I showed you inception date? So September 7th, 2010. So from now all the way to when they first did this ETF is up $446.64 percentage-wise. It's up $435.75%. 435.75%. That's what this ETF is up to. So if you'd have had your money invested in this from, 2010, you will be up 435.75%. Remember what I told y'all? Check your bank accounts and look at what your bank is giving you on your savings account for your money to be sitting in a bank. Now, I bought into this ETF this morning. So let's scroll down. And here's my history. VOO market buy. You see $80, November 22nd, 2024. Right? Because that's when I placed the order. But it executed today. So let's go in. And I'm going to show y'all right here. Now, market buy, Vanguard S&P 500. You can see I submitted the money November 22nd, 2024. I entered my amount was $80. It was full today, November 25th, 2024 at 8:30 a.m. because that's the time zone that I was in when the stock market opened at that time. $80 bought me 0.14518 in shares at $551.03. That's what the stock, the ETF was trading for at the time they executed my buy for the fraction share. That's what that looked like. So The reason I'm showing you this is even though I don't have the whole $551.03, I still went in with $80 and walked away with a fraction of a share. So I walked away with 0.14518 in shares. Not a full share, but I'm almost there. And let's go back out. Let's scroll up. And as you can see, now I have total amount of share 0.881951. So if you've been watching my other two videos, you know it was less than this. All right. Let's go back out. Let's look at VUG. VUG is the Vanguard Growth ETF, trading at $404.55. Today, it was up by 66%. Percentage-wise, it was up 0.16%. Let's look at the year-to-date. Year-to-date, it's up by $96.18. Percentage-wise, it's up 31.19%. Year-to-date. Let's look at the 1 year. It's up $106.40. Percentage-wise, it's up 35.69%. The past 5 years, it's up by $229.26. Percentage-wise, it's up by 130.79%. So in the last 5 years, if you'd have been investing in this Vanguard Growth ETF in the last 5 years, you will be up 130.79%. That's how that works. Let me show you the max. First, we got to find the inception date. Inception date was January 26, 2004. This ETF got 185 holdings, which is 185 companies under this one ETF. Category is a large growth ETF. Now, wait, let me double check. 2004. So 2004 to now, because we on the max, this ETF is up $335. I'm sorry, $355.04. Percentage-wise, it's up 717.11%. 717.11%. So if you would have been investing from 2004 to now in Vanguard Growth ETF, you will be up by 700%. So this is why it's important to invest. These are the building blocks, building that road to financial freedom. And you know my favorite question I always got to ask y'all, are you working hard for your money or is your money working hard for you? This your boy Sinister. I hope y'all like this video. Hit the like button, share the video. Be sure to leave your comments down below. Hit the like button. My Robinhood referral link will be in the description box and in the pinned comments. And thank you for everyone who has commented on my videos. Thank y'all for watching. It's your boy Sinister. See y'all in the next video.